Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video we take a look at how you can get the dark mode on the Duolingo on your Android. So as you can see on my home screen, I have the green owl already looking at me, staring from the widget, so I can jump in. And if you click on the three dots in a profile, you can tap one of these settings in the top right corner, which has a bunch of different menus and options, but there isn't anything regarding the dark mode. The reason for it is that it will adapt the settings of your device generally, right? So if your phone is set to dark mode, then it's also going to be reflected in the Duolingo app. So to make your device go to the dark mode, you can go to your device's settings app. So, the basic settings of your Samsung phone or Android device that you have. And in here, you can find the display section and switch from the light mode to the dark mode, which, as you can see, makes the white background and just kind of like replaces it with a darker one, which is easier on the eyes. And now when you go to the Duolingo app, you can see that everything is now in the dark mode. So, it's again easier on the eyes, especially during the night. So that's how you can switch it back and forth. So of course you do it through the whole device settings, but it gets the job done. So I hope it helped. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.